Not really the size of the Charger. You never leave a Charger behind. 2 HEMI Belvederes. Let's go check those out.
Want to look at him over there.
Yeah, see what the best way to...
Don't turn it back now. So hey, what's up guys? Brad, Poor Boy's Garage. So we are invited to the infamous Ed Miller's nostalgic drag racing house. We're gonna see what he has left in his old speed shop and see what kind of cars, see what kind of HEMI motors he still got, and see if we can't maybe grab a few things out of here. But if you don't know who Ed Miller is, go ahead and look him up. He had a bad to the bone 65 Belvedere. Let's go.
I got a flashlight in the truck.
Pull that hood.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you crammed it in there.
Dirty.
Well, it's small block.
Air conditioning. You know, comfortable interior. It's got vintage air in it. And it's got a back seat. We do have a seat for it.
She's bad, man, no doubt. I bet you she gets down too. Oh
It ain't
man.
gotten down but a couple miles.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Cars are Ed HEMI Duster's in one of these trailers. And
Is it?
it's brand new.
Oh, that's the tribute though.
The real deal is here on the property, but there is a tribute here too.
Yeah, cause I was watching Ed had the real deal, and then he was making a tribute, is what they said on the show I was watching yesterday.
Yep. We picked up a collection of Dusters yesterday and from a gentleman that is getting out of it like this, like we are, and they'll be here today.
What years?
You know what?
Little dart.
I ran super stock.
Yes,
pro
sir.
Stock. Yeah, I remember him.
Yeah. He lives right in the same area where we are, close by.
I was watching you yesterday on they had one of the old vintage drag racing events, and I forgot where it was up north, but you're in your car and you're revving it up, and that old Belvedere. I forgot where.
New York. It was a car show. In
Yeah.
York.
Mm-hmm.
They had the old
I was watching that last night.
Yeah.
Ronnie Fox's
No.
last Dakota that he campaigned.
Really?
Yeah. It's just as new as the day it was.
Really?
We got the motor out of it, refreshing it in the shop. But this is his hauler, and him and Ed were best friends. And that's the last thing he campaigned before he died.
Really?
Yeah.
Man.
And,
What did he have in it? What kind of motor?
oh, it's nasty.
That was gnarly.
Yeah, I saw stuff inside that motor I had never seen.
Really?
Yeah. But you know, he was the 4-speed champion of the world. He's going in here. Try to stay away from the rafters because the bats in here. But the 2 HEMI Belvederes are in here, and along with some more stuff.
Yeah, 2 HEMI Belvederes. Let's go check those out.
One right there, there's one right here.
Oh, look.
Both HEMIs, you can check the cage range. And there's a, I forget what that is.
Charger.
Yeah.
Charger fender.
Yep.
Tranny. He's got some 727 trannies.
magnitude, what's that again?
Pretty sure that's a Dodge Dart convertible.
Okay.
64 Savoy there. And Dodge Dart Sport, the sunroof right there.
Want to look at him over there.
Yeah, let's see what the best way to do it is.
Savoy.
Probably come in somewhere in there.
Okay. And these are both HEMI cars, you
Those
said?
heavy cars, yeah.
About a 63 or 4?
This is 64 Savoy like mine.
Uh-huh.
That's where the headlight buckets and everything will come from when if you need them for that car, if you're interested. This could be a parts car. So Ray Evernham bought the first GTX when we started selling everything. And then he bought us a 68 Charger. Josh Stewart did, Tony Stewart's cousin.
Yeah. So we're in the top of the barn and just looking at all the parts, and really I'm just completely overwhelmed with how much stuff there's actually up here. I really don't even know where to start, but it's still real cool to see.
How is the floor up here? Can big boy come up here?
Yeah, you'll be all right.
Wow. Hello.
Hey, you made it. Dude, this place is completely overwhelming, dude. I don't even know where to start. There's a freaking 8 3/4. Yeah. Yeah, oh yeah, it's a drag car, straight up. Oh, the dual snorkel, got one. Yes.
What'd you say?
Got the dual snorkel air cleaner.
Yeah,
What's that?
there's more than one of those out there.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sure.
A lot of new parts in here, if I remember correctly. Dash for 7,500.
Yeah, that's a good car.
Right here, a bunch of breathers.
Yeah, so these are all,
They weren't missing nothing.
they are single. These are all single.
These are relatively new. He's probably got the coat pull off for this airplane.
Oh, really?
Unless you have already got
No, I don't. I don't have them.
will remind me to ask me.
Okay.
What's the opinion? Yeah, what's the opinion? What's that father tractor in there? Just got hot. Another, go ahead and look.
Oh, see, there's no keystones for days around here.
Oh, everywhere.
Good night. Everywhere, every corner's a keystone.
I got a set of 4 at the house. There's so many of them.
They're just good for rollers, you know. I mean, they're roasted. Yeah,
Probably match to these.
yeah, they just look good on all the cars, in my opinion.
The cool thing is we can have them powder coated and make them look like they're new. What is that red, white, and blue? What race car is that also? It's got.
Oh, Lord.
Motors and trannies to your left.
Is it? Oh, got some drive shafts too.
Yeah.
He must have had it going on back in the days here, man. Can you imagine?
And
How much fun this
saw it in
place?
its heyday. I mean, it was.
Yeah, you guys must have had some fun, man.
It was
Every day is
amazing.
fun.
Yeah, there you go.
What's that, Fof?
That's a 360. Yeah, that's a factory intake. That's the 340, 335 horse intake, dual plane intake.
Yeah, where?
Right here. See how tall it is?
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
See
That's
the
a good
fretboard?
one. Yeah, that's a good
Fretboard?
one. It's cast.
Thermoquad.
Mm-hmm.
That was the option. The cam was the same and everything, but with this intake, it took a 340 from 245 horse to 335.
That much.
Plus the spread bore thermoquad.
Yeah.
Is it okay to look in this trailer right here?
Yeah.
I see some 67 Charger hubcaps. Let me do a quick pick real quick, or a quick peeky.
Yeah, that's why we're letting you go. You're a little lighter than me.
Let's see, I can do a quick scan.
Yeah.
It's like all the same stuff as over in that last room. 4-banger. Got some heater boxes, that's nice.
And there probably wouldn't fit everything in here. They got the Super 6 intake right there.
What?
Super 6 intake.
Where?
The one everybody wants right there.
Right here?
Yep.
Oh, yeah. That's like rat rod stuff right there.
Yeah, well, I mean, that takes a regular 225 and just
Mm.
makes it
Makes it a beast.
Yeah, we got one in. Ed's wife drives a 60, the same Valiant, but it's completely restored, black, white top, convertible. She's the golfer. I mean, that's her thing.
I got you.
That fender rope stuff.
Is it where? Where? Right? Oh, right there.
It's cool though. You got the headlights and everything. Is that car over there?
What?
I thought you said it was a car.
Yeah, there's a bunch of parts for it.
What do you have to do about that?
Hmm?
Get some quarters in.
I just leave it. I don't even know if I'd fix it.
You could carry it down to,
Tack them in, you mean?
yeah.
Like where they're tacked in?
Smooth them out, make them where they're flush. Or just leave it like you said. That way they're easy to take on. You could get
It's a lot of work.
Mr. Joe Buck to fix that for you.
It's nostalgic. It's a nostalgic drag, sure.
It straight up is.
But it's a lot of work, too.
They use the existing holes.
Mm-hmm.
The dash has not been cut. They use existing holes. It's in there. It's got 20,000 miles on it. Looks like brand new. Pedals are still there. The brake light switch is still hanging on the brake pedal. I have the original wiring harness. The windows smooth as silk.
And you said you have what motor for it again? Remind me. You know, I'm sorry.
RB block with
RB.
440.
Yeah.
It's a 413 bored out to a 426 with 11-to-1. And he said,
I wish I could pick out here for like 3 or 4 days though, and go through all this stuff.
Come back. Any dusters look good?
There's a lot of these cars though. Belvederes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's jacked. What's that, Sadie? What's that? Oh, another duster. I don't think, yeah, I don't know, it looks like a duster to me, but it might be a Cuda. Man, this thing is awesome. Yeah.
Are you gonna try to buy them doors?
Look at this. It's got a big block in it too.
Yeah.
With some. Yeah.
I had 68 Chevelle, big block. Sent it to him to have it painted.
Do you miss that car? No.
Tell that because we got the 68 Cuda, you know, in 68. So
I got you.
we sold the 65 car. The guy up in Canada, he ran it for a long time.
Which car was the car that won the Nationals?
65 car won the World Finals.
The World Finals?
The World Champion, 67.
Wow.
First super stock World Champion, NHRA.
Yeah.
First
That's
year.
awesome.
Fucking unbelievable, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And the biggest purse too, wasn't it, Ed?
At that time it was by far, yeah.
It was like humongous. You read the stories on it. $16,000 total, right?
About 16 total.
Yeah, I read several articles on that.
So you and Grumpy Jenkins weren't friends after that no more, huh?
We never were friends. He was he just didn't talk much, you know.
Right.
Well, I didn't have nothing to talk to him about anyway, so it doesn't matter.
That's right.
Milling machine there, valve grind equipment, press.
Ooh, I like this.
Over there. Yeah, it's a
That thing looks light.
60-ton press.
Yeah, I think we could pick that up.
That'll press whichever you want to press.
Go ahead with it. He's
All
gonna
right.
give you a tour.
All right, cool.
There's a little motor here.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that thing's tiny. Oh, I've only come across one of these so far in my life. Yours is number 2. Oh, this is, yeah.
This is where magic happens right
This
here.
is the magic, huh?
That's a cabinet here from back in the 60s. All these decals.
That is awesome.
Those are cool.
There's some old ones on there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that was the first year they were open, I probably got that. I
Really?
was there, yeah, before they ever ran a national meet there. They had a race there the year before that we went to.
Dad, you got any of the old stickers of your duster? No.
Oh, good. It reminded me like
Looks
old
like
Hot,
the rail.
old Hot Wheels cars,
Yeah.
man. The red lines,
Yes,
like
sir.
that.
Those are cool, man.
Nationals there, what year is that?
69.
69.
Mm-hmm.
Put another one on the side in there, Nationals.
Ed, you see that 60?
Now go ahead and pull that down carefully, I'll open the side.
Why'd they have it repainted? Damn thing was beautiful, man. Why did they have it repainted?
Oh. That's good. Oh, man. Real deal Holyfield, man.
Take the covers off the carburetor. You want to take a picture.
Yeah, I do.
It's got 2 cross ram carburetors with what I run because of the automatic.
Right.
They work really good
Do
with
they?
on a tall ram like that.
Really?
Can't go but so much on it.
When's the last time you had it out running?
Well, 20 was 19, I guess. Late 19.
Well, yeah, everything went to kaput on 20, didn't
20,
it?
yeah.
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 Thanks for showing us, Ed. That's awesome, man. Probably never see one again. As soon as you shut the door, that's it. Never see one again. So what's it like to drive in a 69?
Not a real one.
What a tool. All right, guys. So the infamous Ed Miller drag racing. That was just awesome. There's just so much to take in. I want to just start blowing money like crazy, but I'm gonna have to take my time and kind of think about what they have out here. And so what we're gonna do is I did get a few charger doors. We got like a dual snorkel air cleaner that I just seen, and just a few odds and ends. We're gonna load them up and get out of here and make our way back to New Bern. But once again, I appreciate you guys. Thank you for coming on this trip with us. And what an awesome place, man. 426 HEMI on the rack. I mean, I think I've seen like 3 of them today. I think in my whole life I've only seen 1 real deal. And today I get to see like 3. And just a place stuck in time, man. So I'm Brad, Poor Boys Garage. We're out.